And how frequently should a homeowner do these inspections?
I would do them every 5 years or so, to be honest. That would be my opinion on it. And that's mainly because some of these issues, they don't become major problems overnight, right? Sewer laterals don't just suddenly break. Unless maybe we had a big earthquake. That might cause something there. But over time, it's the issues grow. They get bigger. The roots come in. Those roots don't expand in days. They expand in months and in years, right? Same with our offsets and our joints from the contractions and expansions of the soils. That takes years for those problems to develop. So sewer laterals don't need to be inspected on a yearly basis or biannually. It's more like every 5 to 10 years, really. And a lot of cities have developed a timeline on that. And they, if you put a brand new sewer lateral in, they usually won't even want it to be inspected for at least 15 to 20 years.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.